Okay, so the next question is, what will be the output of the code below? So we have this variable called as y, which is declared and defined. Y contains 1. Then I have this if condition. In the if condition part, I have this function f, which is defined, but there is no body for function f. That means the body contains nothing for function f. And if the if condition is successful, then we have this line called as y plus equals type of f. That means we are concatenating the value present in y with the result of type of function f, and then we are printing the result, okay, using the log function. So here basically the output would be 1 undefined. Okay, so let's execute this program. So this is my program. Okay, so I'll execute this. So as I said, we have this result as 1 undefined. Okay, so here the if condition statement evaluates using eval. Okay, so this eval of this function definition f returns the function definition itself, which is nothing but true. Therefore, inside the if statement, executing type of f returns undefined because the if statement code executes at runtime, and the statement inside the if condition is evaluated during runtime. Okay, let's check this program. As I said, we have this variable called as k, which has got the value 1. So we have put 1 in if condition. This is always true, and then we are using the eval function, to which this function definition foo is passed. So this eval function will be returning the function, okay, definition itself, foo function definition itself, and then we are doing k plus equals type of foo. That is, like, we are concatenating the contents of k with the result of the type of on the function foo, and then we are trying to print it. So let's see what happens here. So again we have this result called as 1 undefined. Okay, so let's try out another program. Okay, so here if you see, we have the same code. That is, we have variable k which is equal to 1, if of 1, and then we have this function foo which is defined here, but there is no eval function which is used around this foo function. Okay, and then we have this k plus equals type of foo. So k contains 1, we are concatenating the 1 with the result of type of foo, and then we are trying to put the contents of k using the log function. So here what happens, since we are not using the eval function, the function is present here. Okay, so hence we will get to know that there is a function called foo here statically. So that's how we are able to evaluate type of foo. Okay, so let's execute this. Okay, so that's how you're able to get the information of the function.